Hi all, yeah, video 2 on how to remove and swap the Renault Clio MK2 headlights. So yeah, the new headlights there, £75 as of February 2018 for apparently OE quality replica set. So that's good. And headlights on this particular car here are really misty. We tried to get them polished and it lasted for 5-6 months and then it just went again, so there's no point messing about. So first video I mentioned what you need to do. So there's actually 3 of these black items. There's 2 on the left side of the arch liner there, and 1 at the bottom there on that hole, as well as the 2 T15 screws to sort of move that out of the way. Then you can get access to the 10mm bolt, which is just in that corner there. You can just use one of these, or if you pull the arch liner back a bit further, you can use a shorter one of these. Really easy, no problems, apart from the bottom T15 was almost seized, so I had to loosen it off with set mold grips just to loosen it, and then I can get that, and then I can remove it with a T15 or by finger at that point. And then, so you remove plastic screws here, and then you can then pull the bumper off to the side on both sides, and the whole thing just falls off really easy. Put it to one side, perfect. Then you've got 3 bolts here, 3 10mm, 1 there, 1 in there, and 1 just down there. So excuse the camera work, but this is a quick guide because I couldn't really find anything good online. And now the headlight just literally pulls out. So you can disconnect the wiring, obviously, transfer the bulbs over using a piece of tissue paper so it doesn't touch the lenses into here, and you also need to transfer the motor over from here into the back. It looks like it just twists off, but obviously I haven't got to that stage yet, so if it's complex I'll do a third video, then put it in. And once it's all in, you then basically have this hole here that leads down to that white thing there, and that apparently is so you can adjust the headlight aim. So I'm guessing when I put this in, the headlights might be a bit off, so you might have to adjust it. So I've never done that before, but it looks like it's a sort of long, very long Allen key, it looks like. So we'll see what happens there, but I should imagine you can probably get your hands in behind here to adjust it. So we'll see. But yeah, I'm going to swap the headlights over now, put those in, put the bumper back on, you know, if you want to go shopping, etc. And hopefully it'll be fine. So if I need a third video, I'll do one. Excellent, cheers. Hopefully this is some use to people, because it's taken about 1 hour altogether just to sort of remove all of that. So it's pretty easy, you know, so far. Cheers.